Okay, we're going to try out the 4x4 track on the farm that we're staying on, and here's some dash cam footage. Okay, this is footage from my camera. Little technical bits coming up. And a few points that we stopped off at. Here's Peter stopped, and we're about to get out and walk up ahead. Here we are, taking some footage with my camera of Peter coming up the fairly technical bit. Nice scenic flat bit. Okay, here's some footage from Peter's dash cam, me getting out to go ahead to take some footage, and Colleen and Abdul also getting out. Abdul's going to guide Peter up the difficult bit. Okay, here's Abdul guiding Peter up. This is some footage from my camera of the same sequence. Very neatly done. And here's the view right at the highest point of the 4x4 track, looking down on the Beda River Valley. A beautiful view. And now we're on our way down again. Again, a beautiful view over the valley below. And here's some dashcam footage of the same section. And lastly, here we are, back off on Farm Road, back to the campsite. Thank you for watching, and if you liked it, please press the like button and subscribe. Thank you very much.